Hi, Sikha. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
How are you? Yes, I'm well. What about you?
I'm also well. Thank you for asking. So,
Yeah,
what are
nice
you
to
doing?
listen to this. Yeah, nothing special. Just today is my weekend. So just I am enjoying myself.
Oh, you are enjoying. So, did
Yeah,
you
today
do
we have
anything special?
no, today I didn't do anything special. Just today we have to enjoy and we can do whatever we wanna do today. But from tomorrow we will be busy with our students in the school, in the coaching.
Right, right. Because
Yes.
now you are engaged in coaching institute and also in busy, in your school. So, yeah, I can understand. Right.
Yes. And tomorrow you will be also busy with your students. And today you are completely free.
Yeah, same here. Okay.
So did you do any special work today? Or just like usual, you are enjoying yourself like me?
Yeah, like you, I also didn't do anything special. Yeah, yesterday I planned something, I planned that I will have to do this tomorrow, but today I didn't do.
So which
I
type
just,
of plan you had yesterday tomorrow?
I had yesterday, for writing something because, as you know, that
Oh,
I'm, studying also. So, for some file and all that I have to fix, but I will. Yeah, the one tendency we all have. We are just procrastinate everything. We just delay everything until our examination are not so close. So like this, I'm also just
yes.
going here and there. Yeah.
I can understand. Yeah. Yes, you are exactly right. And it happens with maximum students. Like whenever our exam is not near, so we always postpone our study, we always deny our study. Oh, we can do tomorrow, we can do tomorrow. But day after day, one day it comes at our hand, like it
Yeah, yeah.
comes so near. So from that time we think, oh, now it's so near, we don't need to postpone our study, we don't need to do
Study
anything.
right.
Just we have to do, yeah. But that time we cannot get a special because in hurry we
Because
cannot
in
get a
hurry, yes.
special. Yes,
As exactly, you're right. Exactly.
yes. We
Yeah,
should always try to,
this is that every I think most students tendency, and yeah, so it is also in my
yeah. So we should always try to be prepared before before our examination.
yes, yes, you are right.
Yes,
That's yeah, because why I am procrastinated everything, why I am delaying everything nowadays because yeah, this is distance education, so that's why yeah, I just take it easy somewhere, but nothing is easy in this word that I mentioned also. Everything at their level is tough, so you
yeah,
have to prepare for this.
yes, you are right. So, like, which type of exam you want to crack?
No, no, I am pursuing, as I mentioned, like B.Ed, I am pursuing B.Ed program.
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
am just, for that I will have to maintain some, file like internship file and some workshop file. So I'll have to maintain this. So that's why I started to write, but there is a lot of writing in your file assignment that we'll have to submit. So, we will have to submit in the last, I think, November. So before that, we will have to complete it. So like now, we will have to submit in last November. So right now, yes, I started, but I'm not too much serious. Okay, just it is off and on. But whenever it will be so closed, so that time we don't just off and on. We will be regular at the time.
yeah. That time you will be so serious, and that time you will not feel sleepy.
Yeah, yeah, even right, right.
Yes. Yeah, it
Okay.
happens also with me.
Okay. So yeah, how's your study going nowadays?
Yeah, nothing special. Just I am passing my time because whenever I want, like whenever I think today I will study about this. Today I will prepare about this topic, and I have to structure. I have to study about many English structure, and I have to also study about many English sentence, many words. Today I will remember about 20 words, 30 words, but sometimes I don't follow because
Yeah.
just I only think, but I do, yeah, but I do not follow.
Yeah. Yes, yes. As like me, I'm
You
also
know,
right
and
now
one
doing this
thing,
something.
yeah, there is one thing, and that is bad habit with me because I spend too much time with social media.
Oh. But in which app means like which app you spend your
Yeah,
more time?
like yeah, like on every app, like because YouTube takes too much time for uploading
Okay.
video, for making video, yeah. And another thing that like on WhatsApp, because whenever we get any message, whenever
Yeah,
we
right.
wanna send, yeah, whenever we wanna send our video, photo, picture, everything, whenever we wanna send like any message to our friends, to anyone, so that time we send. And if you are sending any message to anyone, so definitely you will get also you will also receive message, so we need to reply. And if you are talking with that person, so it also takes 10 minutes, 6 minutes, and after that if anyone is sending message to you, so like this, every day I spend too much time on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, uh, yes, like this. Hello, now your picture is not visible. I think it's network. I think it's network problem. Yeah, your picture is not moving. Hello. Yeah, I cannot listen to you. Should I call you back?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Now I can listen to you. Yeah, speak.
Yes. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Now,
Yeah, some
yeah. Now,
technical glitches.
yeah. Now your picture is visible. Yeah. Now I can see to you.
Okay, this technology is also, trouble us.
Yes, technology is also troubling us. Why we are
Right.
connecting each other? He's thinking. Yeah. And first of
Okay.
all, you should complain to Mukesh Ambani or Anil Ambani because the network connection of Jio is not good.
Yeah, yeah. I think I should follow your advice.
Yeah, yeah, you can follow and you can contact him.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, do you have
Uh,
like any bad habit, like you spend too much time and that bad habit bother you? That bad habit bother you?
Yeah, as I mentioned, like procrastination, delaying everything. That's a
Yeah.
very bad, very much, I think, bad habit. Yeah, if I plan something that I have to do today, I don't know how, I don't do. So that's not a good habit. That is very bad habit. And yeah, nowadays I'm also spending my time on social media. So that's the second bad habit I can say.
So, what do you think? Should you spend too much time on social media or not?
No, I don't think so because it is not so necessary. Okay, so only we, I think only we should spend time when we need. Like if we are doing something, if we are making video, we are uploading video, then it's okay. Otherwise, we don't need to waste more time.
So,
But
like, which
yeah,
type of
what can we
so like So, like, which type of work we should not do on social media?
I think, the it takes time. I think you must have noticed about this. The reels, it takes much time, and we interest whenever we started to see, then we are just interested. We are curious to see again and again many videos. So like
Yeah.
we are aware about this, but we are doing still. So that's a bad habit. And also,
So,
if we are
okay, now I would like to ask one question.
okay.
Do you like to listen song?
Yeah, I like to listen song. Definitely, I like, and I
So,
also, I also waste my time to listening song sometimes.
oh, really?
Really,
So, do you
it
listen
happens.
song? Yeah, do you listen song with your headphone or just by loudspeaker?
I listen by loudspeaker some mostly. That's a very bad habit. I know. I also disturb other person who is here, and in a, if I listen song by earphone, so that's only for traveling. If I'm going somewhere, so that's time, because over there we shouldn't disturb others. So for
Yeah,
traveling, I use earphone, and for home, I always use loudspeaker.
loudspeaker.
That's very bad. Yeah.
So, like, yeah, like which type of song you like to listen most? Like Bollywood song, like Hindi song or English song?
Hindi mostly.
Hindi.
Yeah.
So, who is your favorite singer? Do you have any favorite singer?
Yeah, I have, I can say Arjit Singh.
Oh,
Arjit Singh and Jubin Nautiyal. He's also a good singer.
yeah. Oh, so sweet singer, Jubin Nutiyal. I always like.
Yeah. So, means you like also Jubin Nautiyal. So someone else, do you like?
Yeah, someone else also like, there is one singer, Biprak. I think his name is Biprak.
Oh, I don't know.
And he sings so sweet song. And another singer, I also like Arjit Singh.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
So, is
because
there any female singer?
in female singer, yeah, there is one like female singer, Payal Halchal, or like this. Her name is Payal.
Yeah.
I
Palak Muchal, I think maybe.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
it?
yeah, it is. Yeah, yeah, yes. I'm not sure. Yeah, sometimes I listen her song, but maximum I listen song by Biprak and Arjit Singh and Jubin Nutiyala.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Right. I also.
Yes. So how are you feeling today? Are you feeling like cool or hot? Because today weather is so hot.
Yeah, it's in my side, mix of cool and hot, because it is somewhere, sometimes, at a once it can change. It is changing here, I can say. Sometimes it is cool, sometimes it is hot. So because yesterday it was raining, today it is not raining, but I can say I think by the evening it will be raining.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah,
Are you sure
yeah.
it will rain?
I can't say that I'm sure, but according to weather, that I have forecast. I can say that's a forecast.
Yeah, yeah. So no problem. In the evening time, I will call you and I will ask you, is it raining or not? And if
Sure,
it
sure.
will rain, yeah, if it will rain, then I can be sure that you have like
Yeah,
you can recognize and
yeah. I also have forecasting potential. I think you
yes,
will.
yes. And
Uh,
I can also think that whatever you are thinking, is it right?
it will. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Is
so
there
tell me
any?
something. How is going in school nowadays?
Yeah, it's going fine. As you know, I think the students now they're also coming because earlier students were not allowed, but now student and teacher both are allowed, and we both are going. So like this, school is running, and student now they started to come just after a long period. So they are so curious, the strength of student in class. It's so much and crowd, and sometimes it's like a panic situation. I, some headache and something we feel sometimes because only because of the student there. Good strength in the class, and we also are teaching after a long time, but we are enjoying really because at least now the scenario is good. Hello, 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 hello.